Spot AI, a top company in video artificial intelligence, has announced Iris. Iris will help people, from retailers to factory workers, build AI agents that watch video and take action. Iris is said to be world's first universal video AI agent builder for security cameras and enterprise cameras. Iris works with many camera systems and locations, making it great for companies with multiple sites. Google has unveiled Firebase Studio, a cloud-based, AI-powered platform. Firebase Studio enables users to create and deploy full-stack applications directly from their browsers. Utilizing Gemini AI, Firebase Studio enables users to generate app prototypes quickly, using natural language prompts, significantly reducing development time. It is designed to cater to both developers and non-developers. Amazon introduces Buy For Me, an AI shopping assistant, currently available to limited users. If Amazon doesn't sell a product a user is searching for, Buy For Me tool will suggest similar options from other websites. It helps users buy products from other websites without leaving the Amazon app. It is similar to shopping assistants like Google Shopping and PayPal's autofill, but goes further by completing the payments. Amazon says the tool is powered by Anthropic's Claude and newly introduced Nova Act. Amazon announced Nova Act, a new AI agent that can perform tasks autonomously in web browsers. Amazon will integrate this technology into its existing ecosystem, particularly Alexa Plus. This enhances the capabilities of voice commands. For instance, users can simply tell Alexa to place a food order, and Nova Act will take care of the details. Recently, Amazon also released a preview of Amazon Nova Act SDK, a toolkit for developers. Developers using the Nova Act SDK can create AI agents. AI agents to automate tasks like ordering food, making reservations, navigating websites, filling forms, etc. Nova Act supports running multiple agents simultaneously, improving efficiency for developers working on bulk tasks. Nova Act can also run in the background, allowing for automated processes to occur simultaneously without user engagement. In a major breakthrough for fertility treatments, the world's first baby, conceived using an artificial intelligence-assisted IVF system, has been born. This historic birth took place at Hope IVF Clinic in Guadalajara, Mexico. A 40-year-old woman, who had previously faced challenges with IVF, successfully gave birth to a healthy baby boy. The AI-assisted IVF system was developed by Conceivable Life Sciences. Conceivable system combines AI and robotics to automate more than 200 steps required to create embryos for IVF. By using AI and robotics, the system reduces the chance of human error, improves consistency, and may lead to higher IVF success rates.